If you wake up tired, hit a wall mid-afternoon, or feel your focus fade by evening, you're not alone. Most people assume constant fatigue means they need more sleep, a stronger coffee, or a new supplement. But the truth is, feeling tired isn't always about what's missing. It's about imbalance. Your energy isn't something you add. It's something you regulate. And often, it's the small habits, the ones you barely notice, that quietly drain or restore your energy each day. In this video, we'll explore what really causes that drained feeling and share gentle, realistic habits that can help you feel more awake, grounded, and balanced without relying on caffeine or quick fixes. Your body operates on rhythm, a built-in pattern called the circadian cycle. It tells your brain when to feel awake, when to rest, when to digest food, and even when to think clearly. When that rhythm gets disrupted, your body starts sending signals: low motivation, cloudy thinking, cravings, and that heavy, sleepy feeling that hits mid-afternoon. The causes? They're often modern. We sit for hours under artificial light. We wake up to alarms before sunrise, then stay up long after dark, staring at screens. We skip meals, or eat in a rush, or live on snacks and caffeine to keep moving. Individually, these seem small, but together, they blur the signals that keep your body's rhythm in sync. Fatigue isn't just about low energy, it's about confusion. Your body is trying to follow natural patterns that your lifestyle keeps interrupting. The good news is, it can relearn balance faster than you think. The simplest place to start is light, because light tells your body what time it is. When you wake up and immediately check your phone, your brain gets bright, artificial light in isolation. But not the full spectrum your eyes need to reset your circadian rhythm. Try stepping outside within the first hour of waking up. Even 5 minutes of sunlight on your face can help your body produce hormones that regulate alertness during the day and restfulness at night. If you can't get outside, stand near a bright window while you stretch or breathe. It still helps. Later in the day, dim the lights and limit bright screens an hour before bed. This simple contrast, bright mornings and soft evenings, can help your body find a more natural rhythm again. Movement is your body's most natural way to recharge, but when you're tired, the instinct is to conserve energy, not use it. Ironically, sitting still all day makes you feel more drained. You don't need a long workout to reset your system. Try standing up once an hour, taking a short walk, or stretching your spine and shoulders. A few minutes of motion increases blood flow, improves oxygen delivery, and gently wakes your brain. Even better, pair movement with light. A short walk outside after lunch or between tasks can help clear mental fog and stabilize your energy curve for the rest of the day. Your breath is the simplest way to influence your energy. Most people breathe shallowly without realizing it, especially when focused or stressed. That kind of breathing keeps your body slightly tense and your nervous system alert, which over time can feel like fatigue. Switching to slow, nasal breathing can help your body absorb oxygen more efficiently and trigger your relaxation response. Try this. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 2, exhale for 6. Repeat that 3 times. You may notice a drop in tension or even a slight increase in clarity. That's your body rebalancing itself. The more often you pause to breathe intentionally, the less energy you waste staying in fight or flight. Energy management isn't just about what you do, it's about how you breathe while doing it. Fatigue often hides behind dehydration. When you're low on water, your blood thickens slightly, making your heart work harder to circulate oxygen. Even mild dehydration can cause brain fog, mood changes, and slower thinking, long before you feel thirsty. Aim to sip water regularly throughout your day. If you forget, set gentle reminders, or pair hydration with existing habits. A glass with breakfast, one after lunch, one before dinner. If plain water feels unappealing, try adding a squeeze of lemon or cucumber slices for flavor. And remember, hydration isn't just drinking water. Fruits, vegetables, and herbal teas all contribute to your daily balance. Think of it as giving your body clean fuel to do its best work. The way you eat can have a bigger impact on your energy than you think. Heavy, high-carb meals or sugary snacks give you fast energy, then leave you crashing an hour later. That's why you might feel great after lunch one day and half asleep the next. Focus on meals that balance protein, fat, and complex carbs. For example, oats with nuts and fruit in the morning. A balanced bowl with grains, vegetables, and protein for lunch. Lighter dinners that include fiber and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar overnight. Even timing matters. Eating at roughly the same times each day helps your metabolism stay consistent, which in turn helps your energy stay stable. You don't need a strict diet, just mindful structure. Food isn't just fuel, it's rhythm for your body. When you think of rest, you probably think of sleep. But rest has many forms, and some of the most restorative ones happen while you're awake. There's mental rest, giving your brain permission to stop solving problems for a few minutes. Sensory rest, stepping away from screens or noise. Creative rest, doing something purely for joy, not productivity. These mini breaks act like small recharges throughout your day. They don't replace sleep, but they make your waking hours more efficient and peaceful. Try a short walk without your phone. Close your eyes for 30 seconds between tasks. Let your body and mind exhale. Often, fatigue isn't a lack of sleep, it's a lack of pause. Feeling tired all the time doesn't mean your body is broken. It means it's asking for rhythm, sunlight, movement, hydration, and rest. The essentials we've drifted away from. You don't need to overhaul your life to feel better. You just need to reconnect with what your body already knows. Small shifts, gentle balance, that's how real energy returns. Follow Vitalize for calm, practical habits that can help you feel stronger, clearer, and more alive naturally.